Cool theming. Really easy place to kind of get lost in. Always fun seeing an underwater tunnel. There's a sea turtle coming our way. Oh, big puffer coming our way too.
I want to do more.
Comes the black tip. We saw a bunch of those off the pier in Pensacola last time we were there. They were not very far out.
Oh.
I'm sorry. That's a great picture. Fuck you.
And now, maybe Lindsay's favorite area. More projection mapping and some mesmerizing jellyfish. Thanks for watching this episode of Board Shorts. If you like what you saw and you want to see the full adventure, you can find that right here. If you're not subscribed and you want to be, you can do that right here. Also consider giving this video a like, sharing with a friend, or leaving a comment. Thanks again.